Yep.
Hi guys. Hi guys. Have you seen Wouter before in a video? He was once there, and today is a special day because it is
Her birthday.
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 My birthday, yeah?
Yeah.
Well, I turned 32 today and he took a day off to come painting with me. That was my wish, so he came, but he could decide what we're gonna do. So what did you decide?
A black base and only metallics.
And then a triptych, right?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, so we're gonna do a
Wanna hang it up?
triptych together, black base and only metallic. So we mixed already our paints, so we're ready to go, right?
Let's go.
So he's been once in my workshop and made one painting before with fluid art, but you watch my videos.
Yeah.
So you know what,
Expert at that.
an expert in watching.
Yeah.
So you know how are we gonna make the canvas ready? Did you pay attention?
Well, kind of. Yeah.
Okay, so what we're gonna do today?
Put the pins in it.
Yeah, and what more?
Put some black on it.
Yeah, that's later. But we want the back pretty and white, right?
Right. So we're gonna tape them off. Put the pins in it, and then do the base.
Okay, great. So let's start with that. Okay, so the thing is you really need to do it with the scissors so it won't go over here.
Okay.
So the canvases are ready. What we're gonna do?
Let's put the black on.
Black on the canvas. Okay, so we made a lot of black. So let's pour, you can take let's pour the full cup. Yeah, that's enough, more than enough. And then here as well. That can have a little bit more. What you're gonna do now is you got here all these drip offs, and what you did, by the way, you blowed really the black off the canvas. So here's a lot of black. You take that, you dip that with your hands, and you make all the sides black as well.
Okay.
And then I'll start with these. Okay, so for a triptych, let's first torch out the air bubbles that's in here.
Yeah.
And then place them really together, and we're gonna make a stroke, right, of color.
Yeah.
So that's why I want them together, so it's all aligning. So this is your torch, pop it, and not really in the paint. So we're gonna put them close together, so not really touching, but okay, cool. We're gonna start with what color? We got here copper, bronze, gold and white.
I think we're gonna start with bronze.
So you want me to do the first stroke and then you go after me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, we can use dark brown.
Dark brown, but not that much dark brown, huh? Like this.
Yeah. Yeah.
What are we doing now?
What are we doing now? We're gonna put some more black on here, put some more black on here.
Okay, cool. Now, let's do that. Oh.
That's okay.
It's way too much.
Sorry?
No. Like this is now so much, but what I do normally is really put it against it. But now I feel like here's way too much. So let's lower it a bit, like that.
Okay.
Okay.
Now blow the black over the colors.
Okay. Shall I start doing that?
Yeah, you start. You will handle the blow dryer.
You don't want to blow this out?
No, you got the feel for composition. I will trust you completely.
Okay, so let's make the deal here, yeah?
Okay.
You trust me?
Yeah.
I started with the blow dryer and now you're gonna blow it out. But I will give you a tip how I think.
Okay.
So on low speed, and then you're gonna blow here like this and then that. This you're gonna blow like...
Yeah.
But on low speed. Yeah, okay, stop. Because, okay, so if you're gonna let the paints interact too much together, then they will go muddy.
Okay.
So we don't want that, but we know under here there's a lot of color, so...
That's awesome.
No. Okay. Let's torch it. You blow so hard! Wow. Try to blow a bit delicate, yeah? Because now there's no paint left here anymore. Yeah, it's just this color, but you can't,
Okay.
because you really blowed it up. So let's torch these as well. Okay, but I don't like this part here.
Okay.
It's okay? But I feel like this is way too minimal, no?
No, I like it like this.
Okay. You will do that?
I will do it.
Okay, but delicate, yeah?
Nothing happening
Okay.
when I blow delicately.
Okay.
Nothing happening now either. I love this.
Yeah?
Yeah, I love this. That's why you do this and I don't. Normally. I love this composition. And a little in the white here.
Yeah, nothing is happening there.
Okay, let's leave it like this.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, guys, so this was our triptych together. We had some discussions.
We always do.
It's hard for me as well, because I have so much control normally over my paintings, and then he wants to do it differently, and I see it differently, so... But yeah, we compromise.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah, and we're happy. Yeah? Okay, guys, thank you for watching. We're gonna celebrate my
32.
birthday, and see you next video.
Bye.
Bye.